Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And here we have to scroll and find the option block numbers, so let's tap. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And after scrolling up, you can see that here we've got this characteristic icon, thanks to which we can check whether we blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we have to open the settings, and we can do it just by tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, right here on the contacts, when we are on the resends or voicemail, it doesn't matter. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on settings. Here let's tap on blocked numbers, and here we've got the calls and messages. However, I wanted to enter the blacklist. Yeah, sorry for that pause. So in order to enter the blacklist, you will have to open blocked numbers. So basically the operation I've done before. Then tap on the three dots icon here and go to filter rules. And as you can see here, we've got list management and block list. I was confused why I cannot really enter the block list, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. So if you've got one, then everything will be all right. You can enter the block list. As you can see, it is also notified here that we've got one number blocked, which was blocked in our contact list. After entering the block list, you will be able to add the number right there directly, just by probably tapping on the plus icon or something like that, and you will be able to enter it manually. I'm so sorry for that, I just do not have my SIM card inserted. And here you can check blocked calls and messages in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.